Wow. First day of the 3-day weekend, Labor Day and all that. What's the first thing that happens to me? I get thrown up on by a bird. It just happened. And, so I was making some fun little video, because I was bored, and I was making some, another Friday Night Funkin', but it's better video. One that'll probably take a little while to make. And, so I hear some tweeting. And I'm like, oh, it's birds. Up on the tree that above me. Because I sit, whenever I'm bored, I just sit on a chair near a tree. You guys have seen it before. Till all of a sudden I hear a throw-up noise. And I see blue, purplish berry go on my shirt. My dad found out. He's laughing. And I can assure you, it's not funny if it happened to you. Bye. I am not in a good mood.